Hi and welcome. Feeling your divine masculine, their energy, their frequency. Let's face it, this can feel a little weird. And it's a bit like the mother that as the baby is growing and kicking and moving can feel the baby, and it feels really strange to feel that baby growing inside of you and moving around and kicking. Likewise, when you start to really truly shift on this journey, and if you're not really truly on this journey, this won't make any sense to you. But when you first start to feel their emotions, their energy, their thoughts and feelings, it can feel so strange. When you start to feel that Shakti energy, that Kundalini energy awaken at the base and root of your spine, that can feel so strange. You see, a lot of the time, the information out there only paints about love and romance, only talks about union. But there is so much more going on that you're having to now deal with. I mean, the first thing that happens is you're thrown into dark night of the soul and ego death, where your whole world that has always felt very normal to you and felt, this is my world, this is what I do, now starts to crumble and nothing in your world makes sense. Everything that you'd kind of tried to make do with and put sticky plasters over and, just get up and smile and think that you're lucky because, you're living and breathing and eating and a roof over your head, now no longer makes sense. This is because you are now shifting into full soul alignment. And the soul doesn't work on sticky plasters. The soul does not work on bandages and pretending and making do. The soul is always calling you into full alignment. And one thing that happens on this journey is the Shakti, your Shakti and Shiva energy, your Kundalini is awoken. And it is awoken in a way that you cannot ignore. So you've got all this strange energy pumping within your system, dissipating out lower frequencies. And you're now having to really face all those fears, all that abandonment, all that betrayal, the need for validation, searching and searching for hours on end, trying to figure out, are you on the journey or is it just made up in your head? As well as feeling like you're pregnant with your divine counterpart. You can feel their energy. You can feel their thoughts. It is something that you want to run from. And here's one thing that I will say to you. Most twins, when they get to this part, they don't want to be on the journey. They are quite happy to forget this journey and walk away and go back to their old life, their old comfortable, uncomfortable. But by this point, there is no turning back. You have now awoken. You are now on a spiritual journey. And all that telepathy, that peacocking energy, and I talk about peacocking energy, the divine masculine peacocks the energy. Yes, they are running, but really they're just running from themselves. And if in truth, you are both running from your true soul alignment, from your true self. We always talk about the divine feminine being the chasing energy. And remember, when I am talking about divine feminine, I am not talking about how you identify in the physical form, i.e. you are a woman or female. I'm talking about energy and frequency. The feminine is the chasing energy. The masculine is the running energy, but really, truly, you are both running. It may look like you are chasing, and you are chasing something simply outside of yourself because your twin flame is no different to you at soul level. And through this journey, you will learn that you are soul and the journey was only about alignment. You can chase, you can spend hours and hours on forums trying to watch as many YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. You can spend hours and hours, but unless you shift into soul alignment, you are still going to just loop and loop and loop. This journey is about you aligning with your soul and coming into inner union. From that place, it allows the energy and frequency to stop pushing on, and instead of repelling, it starts to magnetize back in. You know that magnetizing energy that you first felt? That oneness energy where you could spend hours and hours. It felt like nothing else you'd ever gone through before or felt with another person. It felt like emerging. You just could answer each other's sentences and you knew what each one was saying. This is the magnetic soul frequency. But once that fear-based energy that gets activated for both the divine masculine and both the divine feminine, once that is activated, while ever there is fear-based energy, it will cause you to repel instead of magnetize. You know, when you put that magnet, if you flip it around, instead of it drawing to each other, it pushes away. And that is what you are going through right now. Until you start to come into full alignment. And how do you do it? Not by chasing, not by trying to figure out the journey. You do it by aligning with your soul. Where is your soul calling you to? How are you called to rise? How are you called to nurture that inner child? How are you called to get out of that fear-based energy? We are starting on the 1st of August, so you can join now. We are starting 30-day bootcamp where we go deep into the journey, where you learn to get out of the chasing energy, separation energy, and you start to shift into that magnetic frequency again. You start to create inner union, and then you learn how to balance when divine masculine comes back. Instead of you going straight back into that chasing energy, you learn how to balance the energy and frequency back in a gentle soul alignment space. No more pain, no more separation, no more frustration, looping, trying to figure out, only soul alignment. If you need more help, my website is there. You can join 30-day bootcamp by either joining the course or Awaken to Consciousness. If you click on my website, 3wcatsacredsoul.com, you can join straight away. You get access to over 50 hours a year, over 50 hours worth of coaching calls. There's a year's worth of coaching calls, so you can really shift on this journey. It's instant. You get access to our beautiful private space where you will feel supported, and every single day throughout August I will be helping you in a step-by-step daily guide on how to shift on this journey. I send you so much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day.